Alright, let's learn how to add watermark to multiple files at once. First, open a file, and then we're going to record actions. So we'll open the actions window from Windows, create a new action, write watermark, hit record, add a text, write down the name of your company. To get the copyright symbol, go to Google, write copyright symbol, and you can find the symbol right here. Add that. Once this is done, you want to change your text. So go to properties, whatever. I think I'll leave it at MV Boli. I want to align both the text and the picture. So go to move tool, select both of these, the text, hit control and also hit background. Use shift and select this. Align from right edges, align from bottom edges. So that's done. Back to selecting just the text, hitting the double click, trying to add a shadow, and that's the blending options. Once you click drop shadow, so you make sure you go to blend mode and click lighten, and that's where you get the copyright symbol. Decrease the distance, the spread, the size, and there we go. That's done. And all you need to do right now is hit stop, and your image has a watermark added. Now you can close the file and then click file, script, image processor, select the folder on which you want to apply this, hit OK. So if you want to save it in the same location, leave it at that. So quality ranges from 0 to 12. I'll leave it at 12, and click run actions. And default I want to add watermark. Let's say I want to have copyright information over there. Hit run, and it will open one by one images, add watermark, and close the image and save it in the folder. In the folder you can see there's a JPEG folder being added. If you double click this, you see that the folder is getting populated one by one with each image having the watermark added on the bottom right. Thanks for watching.